going too far. I'm not sure if I've mentioned this, but it's probably my favorite car. It's definitely the best car I've ever had. It's definitely Old Faithful. It's definitely taken care of me. 12 years? 12 years I've had this thing. It needs everything. So it needs a timing belt while you're doing the timing belt. There's a bunch of other things you have to do while doing a timing belt. Big job. The timing belt's literally hanging on by a thread. What I'll do is I'll retire the car, so I'll park the car in the backyard and say I'm not driving it anymore until I do all the maintenance on it. And then I move stuff around and I go, oh, I'm gonna drive it one more time. And then I take it to go get a burger with the kids or daily it to the kids' school or job interviews or whatever it is, you know, I'll be running around with this thing. And I sort of just keep saying, oh, just one more drive. I've been doing that for years. Bad thing to do. Way overdue, and I'm literally rolling the dice, playing with fire. So I'm gonna put it in the bat cave, lock it down, and I'm not gonna be able to touch it for a while. Some of you might say, well, just sell it, right? It's worth so much money today. I mean, that car now is like highly sought after and very valuable. It's worth 3 times more than I paid for it when I bought it. But the whole conversation's like gold and crypto and stocks and assets and things like that. So if you have a car that no one else has, it's a super duper collectible thing, you know, the reality of it is that car's value is not going to go down. I'm going to roll the dice. I'm going to continue to roll the dice on selected vehicles. Put it back in the Batcave, store it, and set it and forget it. That's right. So last day, super sentimental. Out of gas, needs an oil change. Timing belts are just peeling off by thread. We're going to go on a hike, and then I'm going to stuff it away. Unless you want to buy it. I will, however, accept unbelievable offers. You know, bidding war, if you will. Legendary Patina Evo could be yours. It would take a lot of money to pry it out of my hands, that's for sure. And I would probably cry because it's literally my favorite vehicle. Shoot me an offer. They're going for a lot right now, so make sure you double it. Alright, thanks for watching. We're gonna hit the hike now. We off.
A little word of advice. If you don't stop and look back at your car after you parked it, you bought the wrong car.